Hey investors, my name is Gustavo and this is the channel Building Financial Freedom. So what I'm bringing here today is the last two videos I was talking about BTC, how the price changed from September to November to now. I want to show what I will be doing from now on for this number, some numbers on some altcoins too. So I'll be showing, my expectation and my plan, how to keep going through this really high numbers you're seeing right now, right? Let's go here and put myself here. Let's put a little bit about this video that will be showing the price it was on my video in September, September 22nd and then November 10th. And then we'll show today. So let's see that really quick. This was my video about Bitcoin from September 22nd. Actually, this is my Brazilian channel, but it's fine. I always make one in Portuguese, one in English, and a release for both channels at the same time. But it was September 22nd also. On this channel, I released the same video in English regarding my position in Bitcoin and all what's going on at the moment. So here is the price at the time, which is about a month and a half ago, 26,571, right? This is September 22nd. So I was always talking about my expectations about the ETF and all that going on. I explained about the halving later and everything. Now in this video, on September 22nd, I explained about the halving, the ETF, the big dogs coming into the system. So I was expecting that number to grow, expecting a big increase on the value, which was I always buy little by little for such a long time in Bitcoin, but now I have a little injection of capital which will bring me more options to buy a little more, not me knowing without that I was looking for, which the price would go up. I wasn't expecting to go up that much that quick. Well, my plan was the price don't go over 40,000 to the end of the year, because in the beginning of January, the first 2 weeks of January is the due date which the SEC needs to decide, or actually they will most likely have to release the ETF because they already lost everything on the courts. So and also in April is the halving, which cut the production of Bitcoin in half, which means the inflation of Bitcoin will be half too. So those two huge catalytics, I was expecting, to be using those before those to buy all I was expecting to, but the price kind of played quicker on me. Look at that. Was, to the moon at the moment, but I always tell to DCA, right? Dollar cost average. Never throw everything at once. It's not worth it. You never know what can happen. On the long term, we know, but we never know what can be on the short term. So I will show you from September 22nd, 26,500. So 26.5 September. To today, November 10th. We have this, the coin market 37,300. So we are talking $11,000 in a month. $11,000 and a half. So it's a great. But that's when the really boom start happening. Like really people went crazy. The banks were telling about buying, Bitcoin, and everything was happening so quick and so fast. And the price came from 20, like we were saying, 20 something to 37 really fast. And then we'll just keep going. Like today is what that, see, December 8th. And let me show you guys the market cap, see, 43.8 right now. So I wasn't expecting this to go over 40 until the end of the year. Even my son asked me, until how much you gonna keep buying? I said, man, maybe until 44, and I'm little by little, and it hits 44 and go down, hits 44 and go down. It's really, and this is weird, man. See, this is the last day. See this bonk here, this huge meme coin, but it's growing like a crazy. This is last week. See these people, see this bond 190%, this BTT ordi. These guys are going over 100% in a week, in the month, which I think that's important one right here. See this bonk, man, it's about 10, almost 10 times in a month. They have this Celestia, this Tia, almost 3 times. See ordi over 2.5 times. See the classic Luna 2 times. The FTX, which you're coming from the ground again, over 2.5 times. So this is kind of like a green flag talking about the bull market on the crypto, because when these, you know, meme coins and small altcoins start growing this fast, like let's talk about the big boss here, BTC. See 24% in the last month, which is huge for Bitcoin, right? For the market cap value to move 25% in Bitcoin, you're talking about a lot of money. And hit a little bit over 44. See here, 44,133. And right now it's 43.8. See, in the year, it's 156% in a year, time and a half, which is huge. For Bitcoin is really big. See, you can see where's Ethereum. Ethereum should be, where is Ethereum? Because they're kind of small. Where is it? So here we go. Ethereum 25% also. See, Bitcoin 24.2, Ethereum 25. They're both growing around the same speed. But this, see, ADA Cardano is 50%. That's a big coin here to grow 50%. It's a lot movement. What else? Link 23. So I have a few of these altcoins. I'm not buying. I'm not selling. I will hold for a while. I have some ADA Cardano. I have XRP. I have some Solana. See, it's really good, 68%. So Solana, XRP, Cardano, I think that's all. I have a little bit of Dogecoin for such a long time. It's there too. So, but I'm not going to buy, not going to sell any other. I have a little bit of Link too, very little. I think about 10 or 11 Link, Chainlink. So, but I'm not going to keep buying or selling none of the altcoins. I will keep doing a little by little, you know, on Bitcoin and on Ethereum. That would be my plan from now on. I have to tell you guys to be careful with those coins, small coins. People, you know, promising, oh, this coin has 3, 4, 5 zeros after, you know, 0.000, and this coin will turn $1 one day, and with $100 you will be a millionaire. Be careful, man. That doesn't exist. I think you should, you know, like I do, I go for the ones more, you know, I study the coin, I see if the coin is worth it. Like I said, some altcoins I have just a few, but they're really big ones on the market cap too. I don't like people saying go to the small cap ones, because any extra money goes in to make a huge difference on the percentage mode, which is true, but can have a big percentage on the downside too. So it can be a rug pull or something. So I don't go for little coins like people love those mini coins. That bonk, which 10 times already in a month, how much more that can go up, right? I know it's rumors about it's going to go into Coinbase and Binance, which you also really inject a lot of money because people love meme coins, and I don't know, I don't like it. I don't trust in the get rich quick and or get poor quick too. Depends how much money put in that you can lose, right? So that's my plan. Keep going, buying Bitcoin and Ethereum little by little. Like I said on the video, I buy Bitcoin on the 67,000 a little bit. I bought Bitcoin the 15,000. I bought Bitcoin a lot of different prices, making a good average. So that's my plan, and I'm good with my altcoins. I won't touch it for now. I will let it grow. I know this, by this thing here, looks like we officially have a bull market running. You know, when you see, you know, altcoins booming like this in a month, it's almost guaranteed, which we already have bull market happening, and that can last a year and a half. After the halving, when Bitcoin pumps too, they can pump even more. But just be careful, guys. Be careful, because you can lose a lot of money too. So thanks for watching. You guys can click it here to subscribe to my channel, and also click it here to watch this video about the Coinbase lock half Bitcoin. That was most viewed video. I think it's over 1,000 views. For some reason, YouTube sent that video to everybody. So click here to subscribe. Click here to watch that video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.